Hi guys, this is 2008 XC70 Volvo. I have a problem with knocking an engine while on my foot in the brake, or if I wanna do reverse. So this is the only noise it happens. For instance, I'm gonna try, my foot is in the brake, I'm gonna put it on drive and the noise is gonna happen. Can anybody explain to me why the noise and knockings on the engine while the foot on the brakes? So I'm gonna put on a drive and you're gonna hear the knockings. You can hear the knocking. If I put it on neutral, the noise is gone. So if I drive on the highway or normal, there is no noise. But if I comes to the stoplights or idling, it makes some noise.